Okay guys, we're back out with the AVATA, and what we want to do this evening, I think the sunset is coming soon. It's very, very chilly out, so all I got is a little sweat and a little jacket on here. We got a bit of wind blowing, and it's chilly. It's very chilly. Anyways, we want to take up the AVATA 2 and actually try some photos and see what the photos are like coming from the AVATA 2. So let's get started. Now for taking photos, originally I did plug in the Motion 3, but for whatever reason when I went to the menu I was unable to select photo. So I'm thinking maybe you need to have the controller 3 to actually do photos. So we're going to try this again with the controller 3 and see if that's why. And the great thing with the controller 3 is you do have a button on here for snapping your photos, same as for recording when you're doing video. So let's go back into the goggles and see if we can switch this over to the camera and take some photos. Ooh, it is cool, guys. Very cool. Okay, so is that happening? Could be the same problem as you cannot select it when it's okay, it is in picture mode. Okay, alright, it is in photo mode. Okay, let's just quickly snap a picture. Okay, we're in photo mode. I'm not sure if I can do a screen record. I'm gonna see. We're gonna get it up in the air and see if we see if it actually records the goggles. We do have the goggles set to record both the goggles and the drone on takeoff. So I'm not sure whether it's actually gonna record what's happening in the goggles, but anyways, we're going to take the drone up and we're going to snap some photos, just see what the photos are like coming from the AVATA 2. So let's get out of here. Let's start the motors. Okay, we got 20 satellites and away we go. She's the AVATA is tilted quite a bit. They're high wind velocity. Yeah, high wind velocity. Yeah. So I don't know if we're going to end up with slanted photos anyways, the sky looks beautiful over there. I would like to get up higher, but she's just way too windy. We're almost completely sideways. Okay, let's bring her down. Okay. Now we're just gonna go around and just snap a few photos. I think I hear a train coming. Yeah, I hear a train coming. So let's see if we can snap a few pictures of the train. Yeah, I hear her coming, guys. Two of them. Two trains coming down. Cool. Guys, I don't think we're recording the screen, but we are snapping some photos. Yeah, we're definitely snapping photos. We don't have anything on the screen, and so the drone's probably not recording either. But we're gonna snap some photos. There's some guys playing, I don't know whether it's football or what they're playing, but we're gonna try and snap a couple of pictures here. Okay, high wind velocity. High wind velocity, guys. Okay, anyways, we're just snapping a few photos. I'm just curious what kind of photos you can get out of the AVATA 2. I wish I could record the screen there, but she doesn't want to record, so we're just gonna move the drone around the game here and get some photos. Okay. Yeah, that wind is really pushing the AVATA. Yeah, she's almost sideways, guys. Okay, let's go down here a bit. We're only at 23 meters, so we're not even that high. We're just going down by the football field here and taking some photos, and then we're going to come back and we'll do some video and screen record, show you what we were taking pictures of. Okay, there's like a tennis or basketball court, school buses. Let's snap a picture. Okay, now let's go back to the football field. Okay, so we've managed to take a few photos. Let's put her back into video. Let's put her back into video mode. Okay, we're back in video mode, guys. Back in video mode, so let's get out of there. No, let's get out of there. Okay, let's hit record. Okay, let's get out of there. Okay, guys, you can see we're this is what we were taking pictures of. Looks like they're having a practice game here. So we're just going to fly around a little bit.
Let me say this one time, yeah, one time. You make me feel alright, so nice. I know you wanna do more, say less. You can stay the night, you don't gotta go. We could take this slowly, no need to be lonely. Let me take you on this ride, no need to be shy, girl. Yeah, we in the air, it's an option, but wouldn't it be sad if we left this? We got chemistry, the way you look I see. It's in the air, that would be okay. But we in the air, it's an option, but wouldn't it be sad if we left this? We got chemistry, the way you look I see. It's in the air, that would be okay. It's in the air. It's in the air. Yeah, we taking off, I don't be fly. I got the sauce, you got the spice. Time ain't an issue with you, it's a virtue. Don't worry about anything, I'm right beside you this night. Comfort like memory, it's you and I, nobody else. No, I ain't bad at kiss and tell. I wanna get to know every inch of you. Wanna see where you been, where you from. It's on your waist, yeah, now I got a taste. I don't wanna rush you, yeah. We in the air, it's an option, but wouldn't it be sad if you